Hello, welcome to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips, the best CapSim guide for round 1, round 2 and round 3. This video for 3 first round because they are the most important to get the top result. So I show you the detail now. First, we look at round 1, R&D, marketing, production and HR, finance and TQM. So I show you now. So you see the screen of round 3. You get the full details now because in round 1 we developed one new product, able to, and in round 2 we agree, and in round 2 we have one more able here, and round 3 we just developed one more in after. So in this game we first we have to look at the industry condition report. So before you start any rounds, look at the industry condition report like this, right? Industry condition report. So remember to check this stay here and check this top 10 winning tips for all rounds. This 10 winning tips can apply again and again for all rounds. So you see that industry condition report is the first thing to look, and then you can download and use a free Excel file like this under this video to calculate the R&D for 8 rounds. So industry condition report and free Excel file, 2 first winning guide and tips. I show you the detail now. I explain to you the industry condition report. You see. So when you start, you see that we are manufacturing sensors for the other company to integrate into their thousands of products to sell. And we have 5 product segments: low-end, traditional, high-end, performance and size in this order. So each round, we see that table 1 here. We need to update by increase the performance and reduce size of 5 products in 5 segments, you see. And the important thing you need to look at that each product update differently. So traditional, low-end, high-end, performance and size. Each round we increase performance to make the sensor stronger and reduce size to make the sensor smaller. But they are updated differently. That's why we can use this Excel file to calculate for 8 rounds. So if you look at the industry condition report, you see this table, right? And this table integrate in here into the Excel file. You can see that into the Excel file. You see the right number here. Right number. So remember we also have table 3 here, ideal spot. So each round, in order to sell best, we need to update the product one more time to move the product to the ideal spot. That's why we need to traditional is okay, low end we need to update and high end performance and size. So you can download the Excel file calculated with this table here, updated by the table 1, table 2 and table 3 combined in this part. So you can use this part to update the product for 8 rounds. And then you can remember, do not just use table 2 because table 2 alone cannot sell very well. You need to update table 2 combined with table 3. Use this Excel file, then you can update for 8 rounds. So for example, in round 3 you see here you have 7.1 and 12.9 for traditional, and then low end we update one time here, low end update one time here and one time in round 7, and high end here we update to 10.7 because we also need to check the launching date here, not to over than 1 year. But low end is okay because low end 7 years can sell best, but the other product less newer can sell better. And here we have for performance, here we update here performance, and size we update close to this one, close to the ideal spot. And we developed again, we developed this product in round 1, this product in round 2, and this product we developed in round 3, and later rounds we can lead the game with top sale and profit. I show you. So if you have the right strategy, your sales and profit will go like this for 8 rounds. You see that round 1, 2, 3 quite equally because teams are investing. But after that going up very fast, so we need to go faster than competitors. So 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 we go up like this. You see the top sale, top profit and top stock price, right? Top sale, profit and top stock price. You see here top sale much higher than all competitor, accounts for 26% of market share, right? So in round 1, round 2, 3 quite close to each other, but in later rounds so we go up very fast because we invested strongly in round 1, 2 and 3. So the strategy here, you can see that we use the industry condition report, use the free Excel file, update R&D, add new product in round 1, 2, 3, and now I show you how to set the price. We go to the marketing to set the prices here, right? So in order to set the price, we need to go look at a few things. First, we look at the report here for 5 segment, right? Look at the report here. Traditional, low end, high end, performance, and size. We have 5 segments here. So first, we look at traditional. For traditional, it's very important because we have the market share 30%. That's why we developed one new product in traditional, and the price range here 19 to 29. This range can change every round, so we need to check that carefully. Price 23%, and we are selling very well here, right? You have the 20% of market share, and we have the higher price. So remember, it's not the price war. It's not the price war. So don't try to get the lowest price. Get the best price or most optimal price that you can sell very well here and get the good profit margin, right? And the second segment here, low end segment here, accounts for 38% of market share. This very big, very big segment, right? So that's why we have also developed one new product in low end right from round 1. And you can check the price here. We are acre, right? 24% of market share. So we see that our price even higher than competitors. So don't ever try to get the price war by lowering the price, right? You don't need to do that. You get the best price and good product, you can sell better, right? And for the high end here, 11% of market share. We have the product here, right? We set the top selling price, so we reduce the price by 50 cents. And for the performance here, right? Performance price not really important, right? It's range from 24 to 34. So you see you are selling very well, 29% of market share, and we can set the good price, right? And reduce us 50 cents each round to sell best. And the price here for the size also not important at all, right? So the price range here from 24 to 34, we can get set the price 34. Next round we reduce 50 cents, right? We sell even much better than competitors set the lower price. So again, don't go to the price war because the best price more important, right? So yeah, we have the best price here. We reduce just 50 cents for round 3. So round 3 pricing here. And promotion and sale 2000 is the most optimal. So able traditional 30% of market share, acre nearly 40% of market share. We spend the max, and the other we spend increase from 1,200, 1,400, 1,600 each round. So that's for the price, promotion, and sale budget, right? If you have any question, you send the email to mbacsim.ferris@gmail.com, right? It's mbacim.ferris@gmail.com. Check the other next video for the next part of this guide. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.